Facts and Figures, Unit 1, Lesson 4. The hippopotamus. The hippopotamus, or hippo, lives in the hot part of Africa. It's a mammal. That is, its babies are born alive, and they drink milk from the mother's body. The hippopotamus is a large animal. It weighs 4 tons. Its stomach is 7 meters long, and it eats only plants. It's a mammal, but it spends a lot of time in the water. During the day, it sleeps beside a river or a lake. Sometimes it wakes up. Then it goes under the water to get some plants for food. It can close its nose and stay underwater for 10 minutes. Its ears, eyes, and nose are high up on its head. It can stay with its body under the water and only its ears, eyes, and nose above the water. Then it can breathe the air. At night, the hippo walks on the land and looks for food. It never goes very far from the water. A baby hippo often stands on its mother's back. The mother looks for food underwater. The baby rises on her back above the water.